In this video, I'm going to teach you how to profit from crypto arbitrage. If you don't know what crypto arbitrage is, I'm going to explain to you in a minute. If you already know what crypto arbitrage is, then sit tight, because in this video, I'm going to show you practical step-by-step on how you can profit from crypto arbitrage trading. Welcome guys to the channel. My name is Raymond. If you're new here, then kindly subscribe, because in this channel we talk about crypto trading and everything related to crypto. Also make sure to turn on the bell for notifications so that anytime I drop my videos, you're going to be notified and you're going to be the first person to watch and apply the strategy. Now, without making so much ado, let us now dive into the video. First of all, crypto arbitrage simply means taking advantage of the difference in prices of coins on different exchanges. The reason why you will have different price of coins in different exchange is because of pressure from buyers and sellers and because of liquidity. So different exchanges have different liquidity and different sell pressure or buy pressure on their platform. So within those short period of time, you can have differences in the price of the coins. Now here is a quick spoiler. Crypto arbitrage trading requires you to trade with some good amount of capital to be able to make some appreciable amount of money. But however, I'm going to share with you a bonus tip that you can apply to even make much more money in the crypto space. So make sure you watch to the end, because I'm going to drop that bonus tip anywhere around this video. So it can be towards the end or at the end of the video or in the middle of the video. So make sure to stick around so that you don't miss that bonus tip. Now here is exactly how this arbitrage trading works. First of all, what you need to do is to open multiple accounts on multiple exchanges. And you want to start with the very known exchanges like Binance, Bybit, KuCoin, OKS, CoinS, BTCC, and BitUnis. What you want to do is to watch out for the price differential on each of these tokens to see what the prices are at the moment and compare it on other exchanges. And once you discover any differences in their prices, then what you're going to do is to buy the coin on the exchange where it is selling cheaper and quickly sell it on the exchange where the price is selling higher. Now this whole thing needs to be done in matter of minutes. You need to act very fast, because the crypto market is very volatile. So because of the volatility, it can swing against you. You might buy a coin on a particular exchange at a lower rate. Before you get to the next exchange, the price has fallen even deeper, and then you're going to be stuck with your funds. Also, one thing to take into consideration is the trading fees associated with these different exchanges. Now, I'm going to show you a tool that I recently discovered that helps me to be able to find out coins and their values on different exchanges by just one click. So if you're going to be watching this traditionally on every exchanges, it's going to take you more time. So that is why I'm going to introduce to you this particular website that I discovered in my research. Now here is a quick disclaimer. This video is not sponsored by this particular platform and I'm not promoting them in any way. I just found them out while I'm doing some research, so you can check them out. The only thing I use this website for is to track these coins. So it is called arbitrager.pro. Now of course, you know that every information that I drop here on this channel is for education purposes only and not a sort of financial advice. So make sure to always do your own research before taking action on whatever I tell you on my channel. When you come on this website here, you're going to see that they have some coins already listed here from BTC, Ethereum, Dogecoin, and a few other ones here. So for anyone that you want to watch out for, you just need to simply select the coin. For example, I want to watch out for Solana. So once I select Solana, then you can see right here, it's going to tell me the prices of Solana on every exchange that they have listed here. Now a typical example is when you come on Binance right now, you're going to see that the price of BTC is selling for 105,245. If we check on Bybit, you're going to see it is 105,239. So you can see the small difference. What I've noticed is that it seems that the price of BTC is usually lower on Bybit. So you're going to be buying from Bybit and then you're going to be selling it on Binance. The difference is usually very small, like I said. So you need an appreciable amount of money to be able to make this to work for you. Now, here are some pitfalls that you need to watch out for. First of all is that when you're looking for information on crypto arbitrage, be careful not to fall into crypto scams, because there are a lot of videos out there or a lot of information out there portraying to teach you crypto arbitrage, and then they will direct you to a scam exchange website. When you want to do crypto arbitrage, make sure that you are not greedy and make sure you're not trying to make a lot of money at the same time, because like I said, it's usually a very small amount of money and you need large capital. So in order to avoid that pitfall, you need to trade on exchanges that are well known, exchanges that you trust, exchanges that you've used in the past and they have a name. So sometimes these smaller exchanges that are scam exchanges would portray the price to be much more higher on their exchange. So when you now transfer funds from your Binance and send to these scam exchanges, then your money will be stuck there. There's no way to retrieve back your money and your money will be gone. So there is a lot of scam around crypto arbitrage. That is one thing that you need to bear at the back of your mind. Don't be greedy about it and make sure that you are trading on platforms that you already know and you trust. Now, another risk that is associated with crypto arbitrage is volatility. Like I said before, you can fall into the trap of buying a coin and trying to sell it. The price has deepened and you will now be holding in a loss. So you need to always act fast and act on time. That is the only way to be able to make money with this crypto arbitrage. Now, here is a bonus point that I want to give to you guys. What you want to be able to do is to look out for new listings and coins that are relatively considered as meme coins. These are the coins that you want to look out for when you want to trade crypto arbitrage. Now, here is even the best part of making money with crypto trading, and that is trading futures. So in futures trading, you don't have to just rely on the price differences on exchanges. All you need to do is to be able to predict where the market is going to go at a particular point in time. For example, even if you're not holding XRP, you can decide to use USDT to predict that XRP is going to go up, and if you place a trade and it goes in that direction, then you're going to profit from that. And that is what exactly I teach to my students and in my community. So if you want to be part of that community, you can always join us with the link in the description of this video. And if you want to learn more about crypto futures trading, I've covered it extensively in my video around this channel. I'm also going to drop a link in the description of this video. So guys, that's how I'm going to wrap up this video, and I hope you got some value. I will see you guys in my subsequent videos. Thank you for watching, and bye bye.